places in the world that remain hidden from the crowds, preserving their wild, untamed beauty. Today, we'll take you to one such spot, a hidden gem nestled on the shores of Tenerife. Get ready to discover Playa Diego Hernandez, a place where time slows down and nature paints its finest masterpieces. From its golden sands to its crystal clear waters, every corner here whispers tales of tranquility and adventure. Join us as we explore this paradise, far from the hustle and bustle. Immerse yourself in the magic of Playa Diego Hernandez. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of one of the most captivating islands in the Atlantic? In this exclusive video series, we'll introduce you to Tenerife, the jewel of the Canary Islands, a place where nature has sculpted incredible wonders. Get ready to witness awe-inspiring volcanic landscapes, including the highest peaks in Spain. To enjoy golden and black sand beaches, discover lush tropical vegetation, and immerse yourself in the island's vibrant culture. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll show you why Tenerife attracts millions of visitors every year. Travel with me. Welcome to Tenerife, the largest and most appealing of the Canary Islands. Today, we're taking you to one of the island's hidden gems, Playa Diego Hernandez. This beach, also known as the Beach of Peace or the Nude Beach, is a popular spot among locals and adventurers seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Located in the southern part of Tenerife, not far from the resort area of La Caleta, this secluded beach offers an experience well worth the effort. After parking your car, you'll embark on an approximately 15-20 minute walk along an unpaved yet picturesque path winding through the dry but charming volcanic landscape. The air is filled with the salty scent of the ocean, and each turn reveals stunning panoramic views of the boundless blue Atlantic stretching to the horizon. The culmination of the journey is the steep descent to the shore. To reach the golden sand, you'll need to navigate this final section, often with the aid of a thick, securely fixed rope. This requires caution and sure footing, but it's precisely this challenge that limits access for large crowds and ensures Playa Diego Hernandez retains its authentic and tranquil atmosphere. This is a place where people come to escape the world. You'll meet all sorts of souls here, from locals seeking solitude to travelers from all corners of the globe. The beach is also known for its nudist culture, so it's completely normal to see people enjoying the sun and ocean, fully liberated from conventions. This also attracts many people with a hippie spirit who contribute to this unique, artistic, and carefree atmosphere. They all share one thing, a desire for complete connection with nature. The water here is crystal clear, with exceptional visibility, offering a unique opportunity for snorkeling and exploring the rich underwater world. Meanwhile, the view of the endless ocean is simply captivating, revealing a panorama of turquoise and sapphire hues that takes your breath away and fosters complete tranquility. You'll often see elegant yachts and smaller tourist boats stopping nearby to dive into the turquoise waters. This sight adds another brushstroke to the picturesque landscape, showing how alluring this part of the coast is. Here you'll find a true tranquility rarely encountered in our fast-paced world. This is a place for recharging, for meditation, for connecting with yourself and with nature. Here, nature reigns supreme. No towering hotels, no crowds, just pure untouched beauty. Golden sands merge with turquoise waters, creating a picture of complete harmony. Every wave that reaches the shore tells a story of peace and balance. This is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in an authentic natural environment. The atmosphere is what truly sets Playa Diego Hernandez apart. The air is filled with serenity. The sun gently kisses the shore as the waves softly break. This is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to fully absorb the moment. Here you can find solitude and enjoy the quiet, disturbed only by the sound of the sea. And as your gaze sweeps over the beach, notice the impressive rock formations that surround it. These volcanic cliffs, rising to a height of several tens of meters, are the result of ancient geological processes that shaped Tenerife's landscape. Resilient vegetation has taken root on their surfaces, including various cacti and succulents characteristic of the Canarian climate, as well as some endemic species found nowhere else in the world. These plants add extra charm to the wild nature of the area. As you explore the rugged beauty of Playa Diego Hernandez, take a moment to look closer at the rocky areas that frame the beach. These ancient formations aren't just geological wonders. They're bustling microhabitats. Keep your eyes peeled, and you'll likely spot a fascinating array of crabs and other crustaceans. These resilient creatures thrive in the crevices and hide beneath the stones, perfectly adapted to the ebb and flow of the tide. Their presence is a testament to the vibrant and untouched natural ecosystem that makes Playa Diego Hernandez so special. As evening approaches, the golden hues that illuminate the sand during the day begin to merge with rich orange, pink, and violet tones that explode above the horizon. The sun, like a fiery orb, slowly dips into the endless ocean, painting a shimmering path of light across the tranquil waters. The rocky formations embracing the beach take on warm, soft reflections, their silhouettes dramatically outlined against the flaming sky. Even the most ordinary rock seems to come alive, bathed in the last rays of the setting sun. The atmosphere becomes even more serene and mystical. People on the beach fall silent, captivated by this majestic beauty. The sunsets at Diego Hernandez are not just the end of the day. They are a sensory experience that reminds us of the power and unearthly splendor of nature. In this moment, everything merges into perfect harmony, leaving you with a feeling of complete happiness and profound tranquility. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the breathtaking Playa Diego Hernandez. An incredible place, isn't it? If you liked the video and are already dreaming of your next adventure, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you think. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next destinations. Thank you for being with us. See you soon.